Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making fried pork chops. No special ingredients. I'm gonna show you the seasonings that I use, and we're gonna fry some pork chop, and we're gonna have some whipped mashed potatoes with some delicious gravy. So come along and cook with me, baby. So here I'm gonna add my pork chop to a bowl, and I'm just gonna start using my different seasonings. I started using my salt. We're using our garlic powder. We're using our complete seasoning. And here I'm using my Sazon. And some black pepper. We're gonna keep it simple today. So here I'm gonna start adding a little bit of cornstarch and a little bit of flour. I use a cup of each, and that's how I make mine. And we're just gonna cover our pork chops with our flour and our cornstarch. I'll mix it up really well. And then we're gonna move on and start frying our pork chop. This is not my usual setup because I just wanted to show y'all that I was making some pork chops and I just wanted to bring y'all along with me. So we're just gonna fry our pork chop. I had a little bit more oil than I normally make, but hey, it was one of them days. So we're gonna cook our pork chops until they are crispy on one side, and then I'm gonna flip them over, and I like them to get a little bit more crispier. And these are our pork chops, baby, fried pork chops. So we're gonna take them out of oil, we're gonna set them to the side, and we're gonna let them drain on some paper towels, and we're gonna move on to our mashed potatoes and our gravy. Today we made some fried pork chops. Nothing to it, real easy. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.